Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a light up test. I'll give you a better angle of all the buttons. So get ready. It's going to happen in 5, 4, 3, 2, and there it goes. Isn't that pretty? So Mall, Innovation Pinnacle, these are vandal resistant buttons. And we have, I'm not sure if you can see the one, sorry, it's kind of blurry. That's a bruiser. 2 are universal. These 2 are decorator. This one's lining up in orange. It's amber, but I usually call it orange. And it's lining up in green, blue. These 2 are blue. Yellow. Green. Blue, blue, blue. Yellow. White, and it's lighting up in green. But when we take it out, we'll undo what we did. So ready in 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Ready, 3, 2, 1. There you go, they're all lining up. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay, thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.